Republika His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Ating hong matutunghayan ang unveiling ng project marker ng Camalaniugan Bridge na pangungunahan ng ating mahal na Pangulo. Inaanyayahan po natin ang ating DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon, ang ating buting Governor Edgar Aglipay, Apari Mayor Dominador Dayag, Camalaniugan Mayor Isidro Cabado upang samahan ang ating Pangulo. At the count of 3, Mr. President, 1, 2, 3. Maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulo. Sa pagkakataong ito, mga kababayan, ating na pong pakinggan ang talumpati ng Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
Batiin ko lang ang ating kasama si Public Works, Department of Public Works and Highway Secretary Vince Dizon, ang ating kaibigan, the Provincial Governor of Cagayan, Provincial Governor Egay Aglipay, the Camalaniugan Municipal Mayor Isidro Cabado. I remember that we were together here nung in-inspection natin. Apari Municipal Mayor Dominador Dayag. All the other chief executives that are here present, fellow workers in government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, na imbag nga bigat yu amin apo. Matagal na ngayon, ito magandang araw, kahit na umuulan, magandang araw pa rin ito. Dahil nabuksan na natin itong napakaganda na tulay. I think this will serve as a model for many of the other bridge projects that we will be seeing around the country. At nakakatuwa dahil napakalaking bagay ang paglagay ng ganitong klaseng tulay. Dahil, as all of you here are well aware, it cuts the travel time. Imbis na umiikot na napakalayo para tumawid, ay nandito na yung ating Camalaniugan Bridge. So I congratulate the Public Works for their very good work here, and to see that everything was completed on time and on budget, and despite all of the the other issues that we are having to deal with, patuloy pa rin ang kanilang naging trabaho. At kaya naman, nakarating na ang araw na ito na binuksan natin ang Camalaniugan Bridge. And as I said, pag nakita ito lang Gob Egay. Kapag nakita ng lahat ng ibang gobernador ito, sasabihin, bakit kami wala kaming ganyan? Yung kapitbahay mo sa Isabela nagtatampo na dahil bakit lahat daw yung tulay mo mabilis na tapos. Sabi ko, masigasig si Gob Egay. Kaya't nagkaganyan. But it is a very, very fine day, and I'm very happy that we are able to once and for all open this bridge. We came to inspect it a few weeks ago. I thought akala ko kumpleto na nung nakita natin dahil ganito na ang itsura. Ngunit ngayon ang official opening. And when will it be open to traffic? Today? Oh, okay. Tama-tama. So very good. Congratulations everyone. And I am sure na itong tuloy na ito, ako'y nakakasiguro na ang tuloy na ito, magbabago ang ekonomiya sa magkabila ng tuloy na ito. Mabubuksan, maraming mabubuksan. And this will give many opportunities for our in the surrounding areas, mabibigyan ng mga opportunities for new jobs, for new businesses. And I'm sure that you will feel the effects, the economic effects in a very short time. So congratulations everyone, and what a wonderful day. We are opening the Kamanyugan Beach. Just take nina kaday kaya may natin.
Salamat po, mahal na Pangulo. Sa pagkakataong ito ay inaanyahan po natin ng ating Pangulo para paunlakan ang isa pong photo opportunity kasama po ang mga opisyales ng Cagayan at iba po nating mga bisita.